guys? We're in Bossier right now. We spent 5 hours in the car. It's really muddy, and look at the view. So pretty. Yep. Vlog day number 3. It's very hot out here. I smell really sweaty. We've been in that hot car almost all day, 5 hours, I believe. Yeah, 5 hours. And then
Yesterday, I said, you have to quit doing that.
what's everyone doing?
Hey guys!
Okay, look at your foot. Jace, JJ, Stinker, best brother in the world. Come here. Or not? How long have we been in the car? He says sometimes. Sometimes we've been in the car. I'm gonna steal my mom's seat here. Yeah, my seat. Oh yeah. So, look at this pretty view. So we're going out to eat. Well, we're not going out, but we're going in this lovely vacation house right here. And so that's the news for vlog day 3. Bye bye guys.